How to vaccinate chicks against Newcastle disease via drinking water method. Here's a step-by-step guide that works especially well for Kenbro Kienyeji or any backyard poultry breed. What you'll need: 1. You will need the Newcastle disease vaccine, preferably Lasota or a similar one. 2. Cooler box or thermos flask. This protects the vaccine from heat and chlorine residue. 3. Clean drinking water, which is non-chlorinated, or rainwater or water left overnight is ideal. 4. Skim milk powder or fresh milk point. 5. Clean drinker. 6. Measuring container or syringe for accurate dosing. 7. Gloves, which are optional. Timing, as it is best to vaccinate in the morning when it's cool and the chicks are active. Vaccinate in day 7, day 28, and sometimes repeated every 2 to 3 months for layers or older birds. Step-by-step vaccination guide. Step 1. Thirst strategy. Remove your chicks' water 1 hour before vaccination. This ensures they are thirsty and ensures they drink all the vaccine quickly. Step 2. Prepare water. Use clean, cool, non-chlorinated water without soap or chemical traces. Calculate how much water the chicks will drink in 1 hour only. For example, use 1 liter for every 50 chicks. Step 3. Add milk. Add 2 grams of skim milk powder per liter of water or 2 tablespoons of fresh milk. This protects the vaccine from heat and chlorine residue. Step 4. Mix the vaccine. Remove the vaccine from the cooler only when you're ready to mix. Shake the vial gently. Add the vaccine to the milk-treated water and stir gently. Use immediately and don't let it sit. Step 5. Distribute and watch. Pour the vaccine mixed water into clean drinkers. Let the chicks drink for 30 to 45 minutes. Monitor to make sure they are drinking. Do not give other water until vaccine water is finished. Step 6. Clean up. After they finish, give clean water. Wash drinkers well and don't reuse leftover vaccine water. Safely dispose of used vaccine vials. What to expect after vaccination. And chicks may appear sleepy for a short while, and that's normal. No antibiotics or stressful changes for 2 to 3 days after vaccination. Add homemade probiotic like lactobacillus serum in their water to boost gut health and recovery. Avoid overcrowding or mixing with other flocks during this period. Why this method works? No injections equals less stress. Easy to do, at home, cost effective. Protects the flock early before exposure can be done, even with just 5 or 10 chicks. I have a quick question for you. Are you ready to raise strong, healthy chicks? At Golden Egg Organics, we don't just sell brooded Kenbro chicks of different ages. We walk with you through every step of poultry success, from brooding, feeding, to natural vaccination tips like this one, and our goal is to grow with you. Do you want to learn more natural poultry care? Do you need vaccinated, healthy chicks? Post in the comments section and you will hear from us. You are also free to visit our farm at Newcastle County and see what clean, organic poultry looks like. Golden Egg Organics. Pure, local, legendary. We can be reached on cell phone 0729 725 720.